Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into everything we know about Windows 12, from when it's coming to the powerful AI features under the hood plus the hardware you'll need to run it. Let's jump in. First up, Windows 12 is rumored to debut in the autumn of 2025 with an official announcement in summer 2025. Keep in mind, Microsoft hasn't publicly confirmed any launch date yet. Next, expect a major AI upgrade. Windows 12 will harness on-device NPU power building on Copilot PCs to deliver private, low-latency AI right into your machine. One standout is Recall, which semantically searches through your past activities in an instant. Rumors also point to the componentized updates, meaning you'll get smaller, more frequent features instead of big annual overhauls. Leaked UI concepts suggest a floating taskbar detached from the screen edge for a modern, clean aesthetic. The search bar and widgets may move to a top-mounted panel while open-ups live in dock-styled at bottom. This aims to unify desktop and touch workflows, making Windows 12 feel consistent across laptop, tablets, and convertibles. With all that AI muscle, hardware are climbing. Rumors put the minimum RAM at 16 GB, storage requirements of at 170 GB to accommodate the OS and AI models. Also, you need a 64-bit CPU with NPU support plus TPM 2.0 and UEFI secure boot to secure security. And that's your crash course on Windows 12. Which new feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss our deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.